Hello everyone, welcome to How to Videos. In this video, we will see how can we download, install and set up the Samsung browser for Windows. So let's dive in to the demonstration. To download the Samsung browser for Windows, head to this web page and click on the download button. Now to locate the file, click on this button and now double click on this file to start the installation of Samsung browser. In the user account control dialog, hit yes. Now, in this screen, hit install to start the installation. This will first download the browser and then install it. Once the installation is complete, this window will close automatically. Now that the installation is complete, you can find the app in the Start menu. When you open the Samsung browser for the first time, you will be greeted with this screen. Here, it is giving you an option to choose whether you want to share the error reports automatically. If you wish to share the error reports automatically, you can put a tick mark over here. If you do not want to do so, you can leave that unticked. Now hit continue. If you wish to sign in with a Samsung account, click on this button. If you do not want to do that, you can simply choose not now. Now you can import your data from any of these browsers and then hit continue to import the data. If you want to skip this step, you can just hit the skip button. If you want to enable the ad blocker, just turn on this switch. Now hit start. Now you will be greeted with this screen. Hit got it. Now you are in the new tab of the Samsung browser.
Hope you find this video helpful. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.